Damascus protective gear.
DFX2 Riot Control Kit was designed to provide substantial protection from blunt force trauma without sacrificing the fit or comfort. The DFX2 Imperial Elite Upper Body Protection System provides chest, back, and shoulder protection. Made from a hard-shell Electrum XK8 and a proprietary front and back 3-panel flex design, it integrates over the lightweight cellular proteum foam pad for maximum movement and protection. It contains an aluminum chest pad to give you an additional layer of protection against stabs and non-ballistic projectiles. The FA30 hard-shell forearm and elbow guards are constructed from a 2-piece hard-shell Electrum XK8 and shock-absorbing proteum foam to provide the needed flex to both forearm and elbow. For lower body protection, the TG40 thigh and groin protector is lightweight and compact to allow easy mobility. The MOLLE system around the thigh guards allow for additional attachments. Constructed with lightweight cellular EVA foam padding to withstand blunt force trauma and keep you in the action. DSG 100 knee and shin guards provide enhanced form-fitted protection. Constructed with hard-shell Electrum XK8 and heavy-duty shock-absorbing proteum foam to keep your stance intact. All items in the DFX2 Riot Control Kit are sold separately, allowing for a customized protection system. For extended protection, pair it with your choice of Riot Control or tactical gloves. DFX2 Riot Control Kit.
Damascus, made for action.